So yesterday I broke my sending unit for my fuel tank. Now, pretty noob rookie mistake, but yeah, I was trying to make like a little purge for the gas tank pressure because I had to block off the hole on whatchamacallit, on the gas tank itself, because of the original kind of gas pressure purge recirculation tube or whatever the heck it's called was all rotted and it broke off. So yeah, I was trying to make my own by putting like a rubber tube on the top of the gas tank sending unit to act as a vent, but then the drill bit got stuck and the whole thing just started spinning and whipped around when I drilled through it. So it ended up just snapping the floater, and it screwed up the whole sending unit. And I was looking to see if I could buy like replacement parts, but I ended up having to just buy a whole new sending unit because it's never going to be the same. Some of the wires got ripped out, and if I were to rebuild it, it wouldn't be reading certain things right. So unfortunately I had to spend about $120, $130 that I didn't want to spend to buy a new sending unit. I don't have it yet, so I'm going to be doing fun things like cosmetics until that comes in, because I'm actually pretty upset about it. So I have to do something fun to offset doing things that aren't fun. Also, I have to figure out something with this roof. I did kind of make like a really ugly kind of assembly here to kind of fix the roof, but I don't like it, and I have to come up with a new solution, something that is a little bit more practical, or I don't know, maybe I'll keep this panel and do something else with it. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna start with this and install my decal on the door. Alright, so first things first, wipe down the area. Make sure there's no dirt and rocks. Alright, it looks like I put it about right here where the door starts to crease, and about right here is the end. So that's all I really need to know, is this bottom part and this part. So soak it up again. Make sure it's very wet. Obviously unbox the decal you have. Oh, and I actually got two of them. So if that's the case, I can replace the one on the other side. The one on the other side was orange, and it was supposed to be red, like this. And unfortunately it's creased all to hell. So, okay, so I can replace the other side now too, which is cool. I'll let the sun bake those for a second. I'm gonna let the sun bake those. And yeah, I'm gonna tear off the other side. Or actually, let me install this side first, just in case I screw it up. Well, I can't find my little squeegee, so we're using this big squeegee. I don't know what happened to my little card. Actually, you know what? I got an old credit card. I'm gonna use that. Alright, got my old Walmart credit card, so keep that here. Spray down the door. Grab your number. As you're doing this, spray it down so it doesn't get all sticky on itself. Uh-oh. 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 I've never had any luck with these decals. Just go ahead and spray it down as much as possible. Put it on the car. Go ahead and get your credit card. Now, as you can see, this side's orange. I'm not a fan of orange at all. So, I hope this just kind of comes off. Doesn't really look like it. Oh, maybe. Pretty good. I don't know if it's quite done yet, but I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll really stick it on there, make sure it's good. This side came out actually fantastic. The other side, on the other hand, did not. I'm assuming it's because the sun is kind of baking the paint and the paint's pretty hot. So the water evaporated and dried pretty fast. And what happened was it left a bunch of bubbles and it left a bunch of creases. And I tried working them out, but the decal is so stuck on there now that it just isn't, I'm not able to work out those bubbles. I'm not a professional at this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just tried it. This is like my second time trying this. So, I mean, it kind of sucks. Like I said, I'm not the best at decals. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I probably could have worked the bubbles out as I was laying it down, but I didn't think it was that big of a deal. But clearly I'm wrong. So I'll know for next time. I have to figure out and learn how to apply decals because I feel like I've applied decals so many times that I just suck at it. But yeah, so I'm going to let that dry and see if I can then let the bubbles dry and then I'll be able to stick it on a little better. So I'm going to let the water evaporate and see, and like kind of just let it do its thing for now. I'm going to start working on the roof next, but I'll do it in like little separate videos so I can kind of consistently upload once a day, or at least I'm trying to do a once a day thing or once every other day. Let's see how long I can do that for. But yeah, so thanks for watching.